Hey guys, welcome back to another Windows 11 tutorial. Welcome to Fast Fix. And for today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable new hidden features in Windows 11. We have a lot of new features on the latest build on Windows 11. So in this video, I'll show you how to enable those. But first, you need to make sure that you download the Vibe tool on the GitHub. So get over here, and as you can see, Vibe tool v0.3.3. And then if you scroll down, you need to make sure that you download the latest zip file right here. So if you click this one, and then you will find at the bottom left corner of your screen, it will start to download this file right here. So we just wait a few seconds until downloaded, and then we can save that file. And then click that one and click on open. And finally, here is the zip file. So the next thing that you're going to do is transfer it to System32 files. So all you're gonna do is click that extract all, and then click this browse button, and then find this PC and find the driver right here, and then scroll down until find the Windows folder, and then find the System32 folder right here. And then once you found it, you can now click this select folder, and then click this extract, and then try to click this replace the files in the destination right here. So just click on continue, and finally you have now the files on System32. Next, we need to run the cmd to copy and paste or put the command on the cmd or command prompt. So let's go open the cmd, and you need to make sure that it was run as administrator. So right here, just click this run as administrator, and finally you have now the application open. Now first, you need to put on the new dynamic lightning. So all you're gonna do is type right here Vibe tool, and then space slash enable space slash id, and then put the numbers right here 35262205, then tap on enter. And the next one is the new taskbar search box. So type right here Vibe tool space dash enable space dash id, and the numbers is 419500597, then tap on enter. The next one is new notifications. So type right here Vibe tool space dash enable space slash, then id, then put the numbers 23214784, and the next number is 41967741. Next is remove themes from taskbar settings. So put on the Vibe tool space slash enable space slash id, and the id number will be 445204030. Tap on enter. Then the next new taskbar search, open and hover. So again, Vibe tool space slash enable space slash id, and then the numbers will be 43572692. Then the last one, new emoji 15.0. So put right here Vibe tool space slash enable space slash id, and the numbers will be 40213648. Then tap on enter, and you'll find a message saying successfully set feature configurations. Now once you've done, you can now restart your computer. So just click this start icon, and then click this restart to enable all of the features or new features on Windows 11. So as you can see here, you can have this lightning option and personalization settings. use dynamic lighting on my devices, so you can toggle this on. You can use this new feature. Next, we have a new notification view right here, notification suggestions. So you can have this feature on your Windows 11. And then here you'll find a new view on the personalization and on taskbar. So as you can see, there's no Microsoft Teams already in the settings. And the last one is you can have now the new emojis 15.0 on your Windows 11 updated version. So that's are the hidden features on Windows 11. So you can enable that. Just follow all the instructions. Download the Vibe tools on GitHub. Get the latest version of zip file and then put it on System 32 and then put the commands on CMD. Then don't forget to restart your computer after you go all these step-by-step tutorials so you can use that all of the new features. That's how you basically get that hidden features. Thank you for watching. Please like to this video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on our next video.